Hello, I'm Sarah Chapman. In celebration of our self-care week, we've got lots of Skinesis mood-lifting surprises for you. So it's time to have a little bit of TLC, to look after yourselves and to make yourselves feel a little bit better in these challenging times. And talk about challenging, I think the eyes have become such a focus during this time because we're wearing literally face coverings from here down, so the focus is very much on the eyes. On the other hand, we're all tired, maybe not sleeping so well, staring at digital devices all day long or computer screens. We're in winter, so central heating. All of these things take their toll on the eye area. So on lines, dehydration, puffiness, perhaps you're not exercising as much, you're eating different foods, not drinking as much water. A lot of people are drinking more alcohol or caffeine. All of these tend to show up around the eyes as that kind of real fatigue. So we've put together a collection for you which is a real eye restoring focus. There are 3 things that you get in here. You get your platinum stem cell eye mask, you get a box of 4 of the sets of these. You also get Eye Recovery full size and Eye Insurance SPF 30 in its full size as well. So these 3 innovative trio of eye products will really help your eye area to look better, feel better, and to address all these signs of fatigue that I know from my community you're all seeing. My clients are all saying eyes are looking tired, looking puffy, and we are going into festive season. So it's likely after a few excesses there'll be more puffiness as well. So one of the great things for that is the platinum stem cell eye masks. So you get 4 sets of these in your collection. And this is how they look. So they fit onto the eye area, going above the brow, onto the lid and underneath. And they will restore that area, lift, tighten, brighten, plump up, bring loads of moisture. We've got peptides in here, fantastic ingredients to really improve this. And if you are noticing that your eyes feel particularly puffy, particularly tired, or as I say, during that festive season, you can put these in the fridge, get them out. They're cold, they'll compress on here, they'll feel fantastic. If you've been staring at a screen for 12 hours a day, 14 hours a day, and your eyes are just scratchy and tired, pop these on. Not only will your eye area look so much better, but it'll feel really good too. So you get 4 sets of these. You also have your Eye Recovery. Eye Recovery is your sort of multifunctional eye product. It's a liquid cream that you can put on day and night. It's full of peptides, hyaluronic acid, has some makeup technology. So as soon as you put it on to the sort of orbital area, your eyes look brighter and fresher. So without having to put any makeup on, you can start to look brighter, but also it's treating all of these signs of dehydration, puffiness, all your lines, dark circles, everything we've been talking about. Eye Recovery has a kind of a cocktail of different peptides and scientific ingredients to really target that area. And then you also have one of our newer innovations, which is Eye Insurance SPF 30. This gives you all of your infrared UV protection, really helping specifically this area. Feather light, so you don't get any creasing, it doesn't sit inside the lines, but it does give you also, like our skin insurance, a little bit of a concealment. So it's going to help to disguise your dark circles underneath the eyes, those signs of tiredness, whilst giving you that 360 amazing protection. So you could put Eye Recovery on and then put this on top during the day, or you could keep your Eye Recovery for night and put your Eye Insurance SPF 30 on during the day. And then when you need that extra boost to the eye area, you'll use your platinum stem cell eye mask. So you get these 3 incredible sort of eye innovations to really target the eye area during these signs of tiredness and fatigue, and make you feel fresher, and also super useful during festive season. Exclusively available on our website sarahchapman.com for a limited period of time in celebration of our self-care week.